students. Welcome to the class. Today's date is 28/5/2021. That means 28 May 2021. So we have been doing lesson number 4, My Family, from the EVS textbook. So today we are going to discuss an important topic from My Family, and this is about the relations of the family members. So let us begin with the learning outcome of today's class. So it is, students will identify the relationships among the family members. So we have so many family members in our family. So we will come to know what do we call each other, which we have already learned. But there are some other relations like cousins, aunt and uncles, to whom do we call these particular names. So this we are going to learn today. So let's begin. So here we have a family members, and this is a family of Ayush. So you can see here. So here is Ayush. Which one is Ayush? Ayush is the boy with the green t-shirt and a blue cap. So that is Ayush. And the others are Ayush family members. So now let us see who are the family members. Now Ayush has a grandmother and a grandfather who are sitting. As you can see, two members are sitting on a chair. So they are the grandmother and grandfather of Ayush, or we can call them as grandparents together. So after that, if you go to the above, here we have Ayush father, Ayush mother, Ayush uncle, and Ayush aunt. And below we have Ayush's siblings. Now brother, that is Ayush's own brother, and this is sister, Ayush's own sister. But that means brother and sister are from their own mother and father. Okay. And here we have below is a tiny little baby with a pink top, which is Ayush's cousins. That means she is the child of aunt and uncle. So here are the family members. So as you have seen, Ayush, in Ayush family, he has grandmother, grandfather, father, mother, aunt, uncle, brother, sister, himself Ayush, and Ayush's cousin. So these together makes a family. And this family, can you tell me whether it is a nuclear family or a joint family? Yes, it is a joint family. Why? Because in this family, along with the parents and children, we have grandparents, aunt, uncles, and cousins. Therefore, it is a joint family. So what is a family? A family is a group of people who are related to one another. They are all our family members. So our mother, father, we are all related. Grandparents, cousin. So together we are related to one another. So we are called family. And we live together inside a house sometimes, or sometimes it happens we live separately. Okay, but we meet on some occasions or some festivals. Now here below we have two families which I have already which I have already discussed. That is the nuclear family and the joint family. So here you see, in the nuclear family we have parents, that is father, mother, and the 3 children. While in the joint family we have father, mother, children, grandparents, aunt, uncle, cousins, lots of people. So nuclear family is a small family. So remember that one. Small family is always called the nuclear family, and big family is called a joint family. Now let us talk about the relations. So here we have our mothers and fathers are our parents. So when mother and father together, we call them parents. But if we have to point out, then that is the mother and that is the father. But when they are together, we call them as parents because we are related to them as, they are related to us as parents. Then we are their daughters or sons. And who are we? We are their daughters. If you are a girl, then you are a daughter. If you are a son, then if you are a boy, then you are a son. So daughters are the girls and boys are the sons. Okay. So then we move to the next one. Our sisters and brothers are called siblings. Now remember here one thing. Not the cousins. Only your brother or sister, like the children of your mother and father. Sometimes you are alone or sometimes you can have your brother and sister. So these are together called siblings. Like together we have called mother and father as parents. So together it can be two brothers, it can be two sisters, it can be one brother and one sister, or it can be one brother and two sisters. So together it can be how many numbers it can be, it doesn't matter. It can be 3, it can be 5, that doesn't matter. But together they are called siblings. But the children of the aunt and uncle, we don't call them siblings because they are not related to our father and mother. They are related to our aunt and uncle. Clear? So we are going to keep them separate as cousins, and siblings are our own brothers and sisters. I hope that is clear to you. Now next we have the grandparents. So it can be our mother's parents, that means my mom's mother and father, or it can be my papa's mother and father. So both sides we call them as grandparents. So our mother's parents and father's parents are called our grandparents. Next we have our mother's sister and father's sister are our aunts. Sister can be from the both sides. Your mother's sister also we call as aunt. Your father's sister also we call as aunts. Our mother's brothers and father's brothers are our uncles. That means our mother's brother, mama, and father's brothers like Bade Papa, Chacha Chachi. So these people, we call them as uncles from both sides, from mother's side and from our father's side. Then we have children of our aunts and uncles are our cousins. So cousins are related to our aunt and uncle. It can be a cousin sister, it can be a cousin brother. But siblings are totally different. They are our own brothers and sisters. So these are the relations of the family members with whom we live together. I hope you have understand the relationship. Your homework is to write all these relations in your EVS copy. So I will be sharing the PPT in the Google Classroom. Note down the relations so that it remains in your copy and you can later on use it before the exam. So here I am going to wrap up my class. Thank you.